Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 FE with Snapdragon 750G, 10,000 mAh battery goes official. Samsung launched the Galaxy Tab S7 and the S7 last year as an alternative to Apple's iPad Pro in the premium tablet market. The Galaxy Tab S7 series boasts high refresh rate displays, flagship-grade chipsets, and many other advanced features. And today, following earlier leaks, Samsung has expanded the Tab S7 lineup with the launch of the Galaxy Tab S7 FE. The company quietly launched the device in Germany. It has shown up on Samsung's German website, without a keynote or blog post. Moreover, the Galaxy Tab S7 FE is not an upgrade or on par with its predecessors. It is essentially an affordable 5G-supported tablet from Samsung. And the FE Fan Edition branding suggests that the company is aiming to unify its smartphone and tablet lineup with value-for-money products under one category. Now, with these things aside, let's take a look at the key specs and features of the device itself, shall we? Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 FE launched. So, the Galaxy Tab S7 FE comes with a 12.4-inch WQGA TFT LCD panel with a standard 60Hz refresh rate. As it is an affordable device, there is no support for a higher refresh rate. Inside, the tablet is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 750G, which powers the 5G-enabled Galaxy A series devices. It is coupled with the Adreno 619 GPU. You will also find up to 6 GB of RAM and 128 GB of storage onboard. There is also a microSD slot to expand the storage up to 1 TB. Coming to the optics, the device comes with an 8MP shooter, housed in a vertical camera module at the back. For video calls and selfies, the tablet features a 5MP front camera. There is a humongous 10,090 mAh battery that can last for weeks if you are a light user. There is also support for S Pen, along with a magnetic holder for the stylus on the back. Plus, you get Samsung DeX support that lets you use the tablet as a desktop alternative. It comes with 5G connectivity and runs the latest One UI 3.1 based on Android 11 out of the box. Price and availability. Now, coming to the price, the Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 FE is priced at €649 tilde 57,889 rupees for the 4GB 64GB base variant, while the price of the higher-end 6GB 128GB model is unknown at the moment. It comes in two colorways, black and silver color, and will become available to buy from Samsung Germany's website soon. The company aims to release this 5G tablet in other markets as well. So, do stay tuned for the Galaxy Tab S7 FE India launch and availability details.